can't say to you. Until we live, I'm not glad.
May I represent for one MEDIAFACTS.
MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest news them lock. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. Trending, nah stop. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest report them.
People are gone. You don't know a MEDIAFACTS, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing set, man. Boy, people, what really are going to Dancehall right now? Because I see a little clip. Jano, Tommy Lee. People, I see a little clip, you don't know, with Tommy Lee and I think Tommy Lee and JASHI. See now in a Taboo, and I don't know what going on, people, but I don't know, brother, I don't know what wrong with Tommy Lee or what, because the man a perform little, then stop perform, and then out of the blue the man start telling people them, ask people them can't turn on them phone light. But people, in my mind, I say, brother, if you go party too much and they everywhere,
subscribe
and
now.
come on out on yourself,
Subscribe.
people see you every day the kitchens and corners.
No.
You feel like say the people them go always I take out phone for video, you know, when them done soon every day and all of them look something there. This is when you go one bag of party and I realize as an artist you have a value. You understand? As an artist you have values. You see? The more people see you know, and the more the people them get tired. It's like the energy not go really dead. They maybe sing 1 and 2 songs on the obvious, but they greed for soon or video and them think they're not dead. You understand? And remember say Taboo is a club. You see me? Remember say Taboo is a club. So certain little things, certain little video and them look something there. You understand it now? You see me? It not gonna really work like that. You see it? Remember say people are do them private job and all of them look something there. You see me? But people, the man in the place, Zine, and when me a look, I say, yo, brother, people, no have to look on this. I really have to look on it. Look on that clip.
Big top family, Danceman, JASHI, Bella, I work for them. And we can't go on to kill this phone light. Now, I'm taking the phone light. Who wants to see about the Samsung phone on the phone? Go on, second night of the year.
When I just see it a while ago, people. This man keep on and ask the people them for. Me I tell you, say, people, the man stand up for about 4 minutes to 5 minutes, you know. I ask the people them. So if they can't turn on them phone light, you know. Tommy Lee, brother, I know where they your boss, you know. I know where they your boss, brother. Uno as artists, uno need to keep uno value. Uno they are Taboo every night. Uno they are Maker every night. Uno they are every night. What uno expect? You know, believe say them thing they will make you look like some commoners, some regular people. You understand? When you're supposed to be in a yard, I build their studio, do something until somebody ready for book, you know. You know, going to Taboo, you know, doing a little free show them and ray. You understand? I don't know, say, brother, you know, come on out in yourself. Why would people take out them phone light for video you and them see you every kitchens and corners?
Subscribe now.
You understand?
Subscribe.
First of all,
no.
Your boss father road. I tell you already, you know. And enough of this I got to you know. You understand? Because you don't really build no fan base. You see me? You don't really have much fan base, so at them thing after a while you think water down. You see me? Because people, the man there in the club, you know. And you know, so the man stand up. I wait for the people in for video, you know. See? One at a time, people. The man dead and the man go say, yo, the man them in the club I look girl. And now video him. Jesus Christ, me I tell you. Tommy Lee, bro. I tell you, brother, something wrong with you, dog. You sound like some girl or something, brother. Cause you can't see a man, one man, for video him. I force me to see this. Zine, you tell me, say, you can't perform without no video light. You come like, you that thing say, you up on the pool or something, brother.
Man, I watch watch too much pussy in the dance, man, I know put up no phone. Many the man a catch you like a boom. My name is the phone. Oh, it's a phone. My name is the phone. What's that phone? The corruption not the use. The phone. I don't respect you. I don't respect you all who now put up the phone. I don't want to.
They're telling the people, man, did it for about 5 minutes, you know. Nah, perform, you know. It's like the man that cuss the people, them say, yo, they now video, them now do this, them now do that, you know, people. We don't know what really are going, you know. I say, yo, Jano, brother, how much you know your boss? Like, bro, you did ask the people them for video, yo, and the people them just did their laugh and thing. I say, yo, Jano. Them man, yo, you see when you make a thing come out, bro, a them thing happen. You understand? When you come out on a thing, a them thing happen, bro. You see me? You're a good artist, bro. You're not supposed to come out and perform. You ask people for a video, yo. See? I'm telling the people. The man, they you know. They and wait for the people. One night time man stand up and have him on him side like him and wait and you grieve him, man, brother. I say, yo, brother, what is? I saw the man move like girl. No, dog. I first never see this. I first never see this in a dancer where artists ask the people them for video and them and you not get
no.
it. Just go, brother. Me tell the people.
No.
Yeah, tell me, say, brother, you can't perform for the people them. You never know say a man artist would have want a man in a club for video, your brother. That put you in a feelings. It's already rotted this. Camille, you need to come down, brother. You need to come down, dog. Me tell you. You need to come down, brother. Me tell you. Right now, brother, right now your thing look lily. Me tell you. Your thing look lily, bro. You make your thing look lily this, brother. Because you are going to tell the man them say, yo, them a look woman and them for them now video you, bro. Man, brother, a man you want video, brother. You not even say girl. You better you say girl, them way, and this, that. You know what make no sense, bro. You see me? A madness that, bro. Joke thing. Yo, may I tell the people, them man, I tell you tell me say, brother, you in a club and you can't perform for the people because, first of all, we know you're not book. Zine, you just maybe come on a party and you say you sing. Zine, but people, may I tell you say the man vex. Tamily vex. True man not get the phone like you know people. Tamily vex and walk off. Man stop perform because he not get no video light.
I have to respect you for that. You tell me something can get 2 phone at the crowd. Turn off the light there for me. How time now?
This has to be studied, people. May I tell you? This has to be studied. It has to be studied, man. Has to be studied. At first, me I see one artist through them not get video like just stop perform like. Me never know if I saw video like motivate how you work off a video light or what. Or what? True, you see the artists them get be a video light from where they with arenas and Ray and you not get none. Like, yo, this serious. This serious, people. You have to say man stay about for 5 minutes, you know, people. About 5 minutes, you know. But 5 minutes, the man stay there, you know. And now perform and a beat the people, you know. So, yo, you want a video light and one bag of Ray and this, that, you know, man. I say, yo, John. I tell you people, you know, add up. I tell you, say, yo, when I see it, I say, yo, this it gone to. This it gone to. As some joking this, I tell you, as some joking this people because, brother, you're a big artist, brother. You get in a game for a good while now. And through the people them now video, you feel so lily. Zine? Till you get in your feelings and nobody prefer. Bro, yo, man, I tell you people, yo, people,
subscribe now.
See some of them artists in a dancer.
Subscribe
them weak.
no.
Them weak people, them work off of strength. And so when they now get the strength, it's like them don't want to do music. Enough of them when you see in a dancehall, them weak. Them only work off of people energy and strength. That's why them not to reach far in the game. You understand? Because looking at this, I'm gonna perform for your people, and through the people them now video. People have video, you know. But it's not like when an artist them not see how long. But people have video 1 and 2. And the man still not satisfied. Zine? Because Jamal perform and other artists perform, you know. But them no talk about no video light. But look at now, him come up with a strategy where him forward up. But she no want it look no way like say him want the full light, you know. Him start call the other rest of artists them name. Zine? I say JASHI and Jamal. I say yo, man them there and we at work and Ray and the Navi. Him want the video light, you know. Him want the video light. I tell you, you know, see them money with them. The money come like girl, bro. I tell you, come like girl, brother. All if I mean a taboo and the man did the ask, me I walk out of that, brother. I tell you, walk out of that.
I said, that day before they come on show, let me say it for like that now. I don't know what's that. Name more nothing, let me say it for like that now. To be back to the God is good. You tell me something, I can't give me no careless for like. Can't give me no careless for like. I pray no wicked man. Always remember that. But I was texting people and put up a phone and I can't say it to you. Until later, I'm not glad.
I'm not staying this up, brother. I'm not staying this up. Them artists are in them feelings too much, bro. You want a man, we got a club and the man them a look woman, and you want the man them stop look the woman and video you? Bro, no, brother. You tell about them, my free. Them artists, yeah? Them artists, yeah? You want to tell me say you're a man and you want a man stop look woman for video you? Family, brother. Come down, brother. Come down, man. Me expect this from some female artist or something, brother, like. But you, bro, it show me say on a weak, dog. On a weak, on a ready yet. On a thing, Lily. On a thing really, Lily, bro. You see, you're in the club and every little thing, bro, and you did a ball for video light, brother. I first never see this. Me not even see the female artists and ball for video light like this to Rocket. I tell the people like some joke thing this. Joke thing. Yeah, man, some joke thing this, people. I tell you. This a madness. Madness this. Bro, when you stop, come on out on yourself and they all about the place. You understand? Artists have value. See like how house have value and car have value. You understand? The only thing with house, you know, for the value they go up. You see me? I just saw a thing.
Subscribe
go.
now.
Anything will stay one place.
Subscribe.
The value can
no.
go up. See? You know, you there all about the place. You come like one car drive out of car, you there all about run up in mileage. Till you know no value. Cheap. Because no they are Mecca, no they are 420, no they are Taboo. Every night, people them tired for soon now. They can't bother with the video light because them see you in every corner, everything. Because wow, they don't really get no bookings like that. So now if we go look at one party and do like a free show. I'm telling you already, you know, enough of them artists in the dancehall, I'm going to start to be a free show, you know. You understand? Be a free show, them I go do. Start do. Because nothing really dead for them. You understand? Yeah, man. But family, don't do this again, brother. Thing look shaky, this, bro. You want a man for video, yo? You perform, if you perform, brother, you don't need no video like, brother. People must sing your song and everything. You look like that night, there's something really went down, bro. Because when me see it, I say, yo, Jano. But bro, if man up, man. Man up, bro. Man up. On a week, bro. That's how I realize I'm not really in the game too long. You see me? But people don't know, you know, MEDIAFACTS, you know. Yeah, man. Come down now, family. You see me? Big up on yourself. You don't know. That is it.